If you can outflex Travis, then you get a $10,000. I'm kidding.
You were putting that stinger into the pole. So Metal Cloak, this is for you. Let's see what you got.
That's the flexiest Friday we've had so far.
This is a very flexy Friday.
Yes.
Extremely. What Travis is putting on the ramp now, one of our really good customers, Mr. Warford, this is a diesel JL Unlimited Sport. It is a homebrew lift kit we did here. It's Clayton arms. The springs, I think, are actually also from Clayton, but it's Fox 2.5 shocks, steer smarts, track bars, and various other components that kind of make it a really, really nice kit. It's really mostly Clayton, actually, I would say. Mostly a Clayton kit, but a lot of other stuff in it too. 37s, Metal Cloak fenders. It should do pretty well. This one is Travis's baby.
Yeah. That's
I like that.
Conk me in the head.
This might be coming for your spot.
This is probably going to take my spot, more than likely. I mean, it's got a longer wheelbase, really good suspension.
It's going to be...
We build good rigs. It's probably good. Yeah, it's only a school
So
bus.
this is our first diesel on the ramp too, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah.
We've had a half electric, we've got the diesel now, we've had a 2-liter on here, all the V6s, a supercharged V6,
Two-door,
a flat 4 turbo. This has from off-road only, it's an air actuated sway bar, so you can disconnect with a switch on the fly, and it's a really thin rate sway bar that it disconnects to, so it's a really trick product.
Oh, that's cool. Is that what you're doing right now? Where's the switch?
I just hit all the
You just
switches.
hit? There's a bunch of switches over there. You just passed the Subaru. And there goes the Bronco.
The Bronco, what?
What?
They beat the Bronco.
No!
There's Jim Davis. There goes Alex Bronco.
There goes the F3. F3's
There
gone.
goes the F3.
Come on.
Oh!
Right under my Jeep.
Wow, I wanted more.
I mean, it's got more room. It needs less bump stop in the front.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's tons.
You can do with a ton less bump stop in the front.
That actually looks like it's right behind the F3. Like, very, like,
really?
yeah, like if you look,
Yeah, you're right.
it's like right there. I was trying to do a cool transition.
So
shit, we
fourth
didn't mark
place?
it. Well, right before the F3, right?
Yeah, it's right before the F3. I will say that I really love switching all these switches.
That is cool.
It just makes me feel like I'm a pilot,
It is pretty sweet.
just ready to take off. You got yourself a 10th anniversary Rubicane.
10th anniversary Rubicon. I put this cage in myself.
Just a couple of Allen wrenches.
Just a few Allen wrenches needed to install. A few loose bolts. Don't look at that. This is a Metal Cloak Game Changer 3.5-inch kit with the super special Metal Cloak 6-pack shocks that Metal Cloak states allows you to articulate a lot more with their kit. So we're about to put that to the test and see how it does against everything else.
So Metal Cloak, this is for you.
Yes,
Let's see what you got.
We've got their fenders too.
Let's see.
Oh, here they are. Okay.
Round 2.
Ooh, wow. 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 Yeah. What?
You're on the pole.
You're touching the pole.
You need to move the ramp.
You'll keep going. You're touching the pole. What?
All right. Let's move the ramp and
What?
try again. Let's move the ramp and try again.
That went way
I was
further
not
than-
expecting that.
Okay. That one's a sleeper.
Yeah, this is where you were
It felt pretty good.
Literally touching right here.
Yeah, you were putting that stinger into the pole.
We've repositioned the ramp.
Had to reposition the ramp. Yeah, I put the chalk up there because I was like, no way it's gonna.
Metal,
the chocolate.
metal cloak may be onto something, guys.
Yeah.
Is that my car?
So we have an emergency. There we go.
There we go. Okay, I was like, these cars. Okay. All right. Let's. Eesh.
Are we touching bag on this one?
You were on it.
We're
Yeah.
gonna be on that bag. I'm gonna watch the stinger this time. Alright, there we are.
Jesus. Wow.
That is up there.
That's by a significant amount too.
Yeah. What is this? We go. Wow. We're doing it.
Oh wow, that's like #1 by a
That
long
is
shot.
lot.
#1 by a lot.
All right.
That is doing well.
Wow, Metal Cloak. Good job on you.
Good job, metal cloak.
High five,
Wow.
Metal Cloak.
Flawless victory.
This thing gets down. Okay.
I think it's down like
It does.
around.
I knew I was a Metal Cloak fanboy for a reason.
Everybody's gonna want these bad boys now.
Yeah. Like just this shot, this angle.
This is gonna be a little tough to beat.
So does this guy get a present?
I think this guy gets a high five for sure.
I thought it was
Waffle.
going to be somewhere around here.
Yeah, I saw, because here he was cruising pretty fast. Once we got to the 4XC, we're like smooth sailing, and then it just kept going.
That's the flexiest Friday we've had so far.
This is a very flexy Friday.
Yes.
Extremely.
Mm-hmm.
Got some work to do.
We all got some work to do.